Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning about Filipino words you can use to answer simple questions. It could be fun to know them and use them to surprise locals the next time you talk to them. Let's start with Meron. This could mean there is or I have. Meron. 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 May pera ka ba? Meron. May kotse ka ba? Meron po. Meron po, ate. Meron po, kuya. The opposite is wala. This is there isn't or I don't have. Wala. 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 Wala kang pera? Wala. May pera ka ba? Wala po. Wala po, kuya. Wala po, ate. Now, let's try marami, which is many or a lot. And konti, which means little or few. Marami. 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 Konti. 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 Marami akong pera. Marami akong kaibigan. Marami ka bang nainom? Konti lang. Marunong kang mag-Filipino? Konti lang po. Then we have medyo. This means average or just enough. Medyo. 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 Marami ka bang pera? Medyo. Maganda ka ba? Medyo po. Gwapo ba? Medyo po, ate. The last one is Ewan. This translates to I don't know. This is very casual. You can use it with people you're close with. Ewan. 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 Malayo ba? Ewan ko. Masaya ka ba? Siguro, ewan. Alam mo ba kung sino? Hindi, ewan ko. These are some Filipino words that you can use to answer some common questions. Now, let's practice saying the words. This means there is, I have. Meron. There isn't, I don't have. Wala. This means many, a lot. Marami. This means little or few. Konti. Average or just enough. Medyo. This means I don't know. Ewan. I hope you find them useful the next time you meet and talk to a local. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.